Huwag mo nga kaming lukuhin dito.
Hindi po, kasi
Ha?
yung una
Baka
talaga
akala
po,
mo kung ano yung ginagawa ni Alice Go sa
hindi
committee na
po.
ito, kaya mong gawin din.
Pasensya na po
Ha?
pag may mani ako na
Pasensya.
sasagutin. Kasi sa
You
totoo
are
lang po,
lying. Kami dito, hindi kami pwede bayaran, ha?
hindi po.
Walang pwede magbayad kahit na milyon-milyon yung pera ninyong mga Chinese kayo.
That outburst from Senator Bato de la Rosa after multiple repetitions of "I don't know" from dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo's supposed sister Sheila. On Tuesday, Sheila Guo attended her first Senate hearing since being apprehended by authorities in Indonesia. Guo is detained at the Senate for absences in hearings on illegal Philippine offshore gaming operations. Other senators warned Sheila she could suffer greater penalties for constantly claiming she does not know the answers to their questions, as she could be breaking the law. But Guo maintains she does not know where her supposed sister is and where they boarded a small boat in July to head to Malaysia. Guo did, however, confirm she departed the Philippines with Alice and their supposed brother Wesley. Sheila also responded to queries on her Chinese and Philippine passports.
bigay sa akin ni Daddy, sabi niya, yun na yung passport mo na ano, pag may pag may punta sa travel o ano, yun na ang gagamitin mo.
So, hindi totoo na dito kayo pinanganak?
Hindi po.
NBI Director Jimmy Santiago says, given the duration and means Guo described her travel to have been, it is possible they left the country through Tawi-Tawi, entering Sabah, Malaysia. Sheila Guo's identity was also put into question after she admitted she's not Alice's sister.
Sabi niyo kanina, narinig ko nung tinanong ni Senator Risa na si Guo Jiangjong hindi niyo biological father.
Hindi po yung tunay nanay.
Hindi
Tatay, opo.
hindi mo tunay na
Opo.
tatay yon. Sino ang tunay na tatay mo?
Pwede po hindi ako sasagutin. May kaso po kay Sagot, di ba?
Okay, pero hindi yan ang tunay na tatay mo.
Hindi po.
Okay, narinig ko rin si Lin Wenyi, hindi mo rin tunay na nanay.
Hindi po.
Okay. So si Alice, hindi mo siya tunay na kapatid.
Hindi po, pag ganyan.
Hindi kayo related.
Hindi.
I mean, hindi kayo tunay na magkapatid.
Opo.
Meanwhile, the individual Guo was with in Indonesia, Pogo Representative Cassandra Leong, was a no-show at the hearing.
Ferdinand Topacio, stating that Ms. Ong, quote, has opted to decline from testifying on any matter that may be raised by the committees in the exercise of her right to remain silent and against being compelled to testify against herself. The court ruled that the right against self-incrimination cannot justify one's outright refusal to appear before a Senate committee.
The lawyer who notarized Guo's counter-affidavit, Elmer Galicia, was also at the hearing. Elmer Galicia initially said he saw Guo on August 14, but he told lawmakers during the hearing that he was not sure if it was actually the former mayor who appeared or someone who looked like Guo. Galicia also revealed she did not sign the notarial book nor take an oath before him.
Siguro error nga on my part, pero para po akong nagulat eh. Nagulat po talaga ako na makakaharap ko itong taong ito. Kasi po, hindi naman po ako yung tipo ng tao na para puntahan po ng ganong klaseng mataas na tao.
Senator Risa Ontiveros also said Sheila Guo must attend the Senate Committee on Women's hearing before her contempt can be purged. Agatha Gregorio, BNC.